Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock TECNO Spark 20 Pro without the password. Okay, so let's begin. Actually, we have two methods how we can unlock this device without the password, so let me show you both methods, but in the beginning I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Also, remember that in both examples that I'm going to show you, you'll basically lose all of your data. It's the only way to unlock the phone without the password, so we need to remember about it. So as a first method, I'll show you how to use the Find Hub to reset your device, and that's the way how you can turn off the lock screen and unlock the device. So for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but the actions that I'm going to show you right now, basically you need to repeat on any other device. So open your browser, make sure that you are logged in into your Google account, and it needs to be the same Google account on which you are logged in your settings of your device. And now select the Find Hub, now click on your TECNO Spark, and now we need to click on Factory Reset Device. And now we have those three terms that we need to remember. So all data will be erased permanently from our device. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find Hub, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. And now you need to click on Next, then you need to sign into your Google account to erase your device. You can read about it also right in here, and if you do everything properly, your device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that's the first method, and now let me show the second one. So now we have access to our device, we cannot remember the password, and now what to do? As in the second method, we can reset this device by performing the hard reset from the recovery mode. So first, let's hold the power button to turn off our device. Click on power off. No, something doesn't want to work right now, it's lagging. Click on power off, tap again. Now our device will be turned off. Let's wait a few seconds. And now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use the two-button combination. We need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's hold both of the buttons. Keep on holding. Okay. Actually, when the TECNO logo appears, you can release the finger from the power button, but just in case, keep holding the volume up, just like I did. Okay, now, so we can see this Android logo, and it says no command. And now, what to do? We need to hold the power button, and we need to tap volume up, just like that. And now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys. In our case, we want to select wipe data / factory reset. Now confirm the selected option by clicking the power button. Now select factory data reset. Remember that you will lose all of your data. Click on power button. You can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now. Click on the power button. And now, just like in the previous method, the device will be turned on right now, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.